Hi, rKavanaugh here with BISH'S RV here in sunny Junction City, Oregon. Today I'd like to show you this very nice, family-friendly 2017 Thor Hurricane 34J, so it's about 34 feet. This is a very affordable motorhome. It's got lots of bells and whistles. It's great for entertaining. Let's have a look. You have outdoor storage here, lots of storage compartments. Very nice. And the way the doors turn, this is what most people like. They like the doors turning like this versus the storage doors turning up. Lots of space. And when you're camping or tailgating, you got a nice 32-inch flat screen here, plus a full kitchen hookup right over here. You got a refrigerator and an outdoor sink, plus a gas hookup. Very convenient. Obviously, you have a power awning up above. Just hang out. For 34 feet, you can sleep a lot of people here. You've got an extra large drop-down bed for kids or for guests. Of course, this motorhome is sitting on a Ford chassis and the Ford Triton V10. It's a tried and true motor. This motorhome has built-in backup camera, levelers, the works. The upholstery is really flawless. The driver's seats, these seats swivel. They become part of the living room. Very nice. And then also here you've got the dinette, which also folds down into a bed. You have storage space down here below the seats. A very nice 40-inch integrated TV with a Bose sound bar. So they spared no expense here. Very nice. And across you got a nice jackknife style sofa. This also converts into a bed, and it's very comfortable. And it really does feel like it's one of the better sofas. Nice cushions. Look at all this counter space here. Solid surface countertop. You got dual sinks. You got an extension here. Lots of cabinet space. An extra large microwave. You have the standard 3-burner gas stove, plus a gas oven. And across you have a residential style refrigerator and freezer, extra large, with an ice maker. Lots of space in this refrigerator. This is a residential style refrigerator. As we move back, you have your pantry here with the slide outs. Very convenient, very nice. Everything works as it should. And then as we move back, you have your control panel and your bathroom. And it's extra light and bright. And then across from the bathroom is the twin bunks. Very nice. Kids would love this. Their own little hiding spot, so to speak, or even adults. And you have another mattress and bunk down below with TVs. You also have a TV here. This is where you hide your remotes. More storage down below. As we move into the bedroom, you have a king-size bed and what appears to be a nice upgraded mattress, a nice headboard. You can lean back, read, watch TV, do whatever you want. Again, another TV here, a 32-inch integrated TV. So you can just sit in bed, in your king bed, watch TV. Lots of space, lots of storage. You can hang a lot of coats, jackets, sweaters, all kinds of stuff. Your ladder is down here. There's some storage underneath the bed. Lots of cabinet space. This motorhome has 2 air conditioners, one dedicated to the bedroom back here and one in the living room. Really nice motorhome. It's a 2017 Thor Hurricane 34J. Lots of space, as you can see. Lots of sleeping spaces. So it's a relatively compact motorhome to sleep this many people. It's a very affordable motorhome. Again, my name's rKavanaugh. Hope to hear from you. Give me a call or email me. ask for me, rKavanaugh. I'd be happy to show you this motorhome or any motorhome we have on the lot. Talk to you soon.